MM02, enter. And this is the material, press enter key. Let me select all the views, and in the organizational level data, the plant is 1710, continue. Quality management view, inspection setup. Let me activate inspection type 04 in this as it is a finished material. Activate it, and these are the default settings which are maintained. Here this serial number possible, this indicator is also there. Press F1 key here. If I want this material to be handled in the serial number, then you can check this checkbox also. We need to maintain the serial number profile in the sales general plant view. In the lower half, we can maintain the serial number profile, and this list which you are getting is coming from the configuration, and we maintain it as per the requirement how the serial numbers can be handled. So let me select save this and then click on save. Press enter key. Serial number will be handled as per the profile settings which are maintained in the configuration. OIS2 to check the detail of the serial number profile. This is that same list which you were getting just now, which I have assigned was customized one Z001. And here you also get the category also. Normally, these serial numbers are used for the equipments or the machines. This one where the category is specified as M. Let me show you the detail for this serial number profile. Select this and go to the serialization procedure which is maintained. These are already the standard SAP one only. Serial number in the inspection log also. So for that it is QMSL. This entry should be there. How it will be used, the serial number usage that is maintained. Here it is selected as 03. Optional automatically generated numbers. Even the equipment is required, that setting can be maintained as per the requirement. The plan also for this material /in QP02, enter. My material is this, plant is this, press enter key. In the header level, I have maintained the usage as 5 for the code receipt. Status is 4 for the released. In the operation control key, QM01 is maintained, and if we go for the inspection characteristics, 2 MICs are assigned to it, and both the MICs are single result recording with the sampling procedure selected in the control indicator with the single result recording. Required characteristics, remaining controls are same only. Even in this case, I have single result recording, required characteristics, and remaining controls are same. Sampling procedure which I am using here is 100% inspection with the attributive inspection on conformative unit as the validation. If you want, you can check the consistency also. Save it. And to create my log for 04, I can go for the creation of the production order. CO01, enter. Material is this, plant is this, and order type is PP01 for the standard production order. I can enter some quantity. I'm keeping it small because individual entries will be inspected, and the scheduling period we can specify. Press enter key. Release is automatically maintained in this. Now my production order is released. You can see the status is given, and master data is maintained. Let's save it. Costing error is there, that's okay. So this is my production order number which is created, and we can do the confirmation for this production order. Go to CO15, press enter key. My order number, quantity, it is picking up as 6 in the yield, and I can select final confirmation, save it. So my confirmation is done with 32, and I can filter the origin as 04. So at present, there is one lot already present for the same material. Let's do the MIGO for this. Press enter key. Production order number is this. Press enter key. Serial number tab is also coming in this now. And if you click on this, the numbers are generated. My quantity is 6 and 6 serial numbers are generated. Select item OK, click on check once. Okay, we also need to enter the location. So let me enter the location for it and then check it once and then post it. Batch is getting created, posted. Lot will might have been triggered, which we can check in QA32 report, refresh it. So this is the lot which is released and the quantity is 6. Let me select this and go for the result recording. Since it is a single result recording, we have to enter the individual entries, and at present these entries are disabled. I cannot enter the values. But in unit to be inspected tab, here the inspection unit is coming as 19, for which I can enter the values for both my MICs. I'm accepting it. Press enter key, the valuation is added. And if you click on this arrow button, it will show you the next inspection unit to be inspected. Now it is 20 and you can enter the result for the second unit serial number. Let me save this much and we will go to another transaction, which is again a work list for the result recording, which is QE51, and enter the origin filter here for 04 and then click on execute. So this is the lot just now which is created with 727, and these are the two MICs which need to be inspected. 727 is the lot number. Double click on the MIC. On the right side, you can see for the first serial number, we have already entered the value for the first operation. On the right, you can see the inspection unit number is coming as 19. Here you can enter the codes for the remaining units also. And this is first characteristics which we are inspecting, which was a qualitative MIC. All the values as okay, except the last one, rejecting it. Press enter key, the valuation is added. And now here on the left also, you can see the valuation is color indicator is coming as red. Let me go to the next MIC, which is a measurable MIC. Double click on it. I have entered the result for the first unit. Let me enter the value within the range for the remaining also, except the last one, which I am entering the value out of the specification. Press enter key. So the valuation has been added. Indicator red is coming because we have rejected one unit out of that. Let's see. QA32 report and refresh it. It's inspected and we can go for the usage decision. Enter the UD code of course. We have rejected the MIC for one unit. So still I'm accepting it, and in the inspection lot stop tab, lot quantity is 6. If you click on serial number, these are the serial numbers. For 24, I have rejected the values, remaining are okay. I want to move 5 to the unrestricted out of the 6 and 1 to the block stock. If you click on the stock, you can check the stock status at present. It is in the quality 6 unit for this particular batch number 1603. In the block, there is at present this much. Let's go back. I have entered 5 to the unrestricted and 1 to the block. Click on save. This pop-up is coming from quality department, which all serial number you are moving to the unrestricted, and only last serial number I have rejected. So I can remove this last entry. Select this and click on delete. The remaining are left, click on continue and then save. So refresh it, it is removed. And if we go to our MMB report again, click on execute. Now for this batch, okay, batch number is still restricted. Let me make it unrestricted. QA32 report, and let me select all the lots because the UD has been done, and click on execute. Select this, go for the usage decision. In the inspection lot stock tab, click on batch status, edit, make the batch status to unrestricted, continue. Serial number, if I select say 24, which we have moved, the block stock, if you click on history, it will show you the history of it. And here, this is the inspection lot. If you double click on this, it will take you to the inspection lot details. And this is the production order number. If you click on it, it will open that header level information you can see. Let's go back. And if I select the first one, which is 19, which we have moved to the unrestricted, you can see the stock type is coming as ready to use. Let's close this and then we can save it. Now again, if I go to my MMB report and refresh it, so against this batch number 1603, now the unrestricted use quantity is 5 and we have moved one to the block stock. So this against this batch number 1 unit is in the block. If you go to the environment and here equipment and serial number is there, if you click on this, after selecting the batch number, you can see the details for the serial numbers which are generated against that batch number for the material. And here, if you select any one out of this and click on details, you can see the further details for it. Move it to the block stock. Let me go back. There is one more transaction, IQ03, which is for the serial number display. Here you can enter your material. Let me remove the serial number and you click on this. The list of serial numbers which are there for the material.